meet bensia moson for coffee capital maba aba meet do me fancha me KANAWU nsemfo ehi wo kan be wan kan wo be ekure on some doso na no krane na kakakra bi enne nuna radio stations frɛ ya na radio for ne TV for no motie asem bia montie mu yo o ani afrɛ ya se ye beto nkanem obi no se opese ya tu me nje se ye beto nkanem Ghana for news montie ni enkan ne mo a producers ya na mo frɛ a wo pese obi contribute to montie asem no na mo misa the right question me wa wo kire ne say no anya so a no nya asem na ne buofu I say o mpese obekasa no because why na adwene say ekwan bi aso no e wo sa wo kasa mo na mo ma Ghana mpanyfo bebiri enwo kan enya asem na omo so obi afra no pa no nsia wundutwiri wo simpo wunim de ekoso wo newspaper no afra wo say me pa chaw
Asempa FM
MP anase minister anase chief director krata say ABCD wunya kan na so what start year no ebe na wunya asem me o fe me sa time na meka jo say asem o kan kra me nim wo hwe because me hu so ayampa mesde di hun komo mesde di hun komo krom ha enne yimo social media ya be ensema mudi guso say yampa say nyampa no obi afrew what to say and I say ni say ani ye betra krom na ya man ne mebi agensam sa enyo munhwe ni ye because ya adwene say institutions also omo regulate no omo ye weak ntino obi afi say do pay bia no ye ene adem bisa ne say enti Ghana mami akua da ben na ye betimi akase yetimi awie se wa wote Ghana krata e kire se wuti se fie webu address a wukitani enima bi koso okrom hanoma ahomete na memaka ye ID card ama Ghanaians anase ye ID card for bia hwe munim de yakoso wonim say wonya Ghana ni a ye ma ID card eno ne buo wonya Ghana ni a ID card matese ye o $150
FM
now person wonya ID wo Ghana san matese bua ye gie no na mse ma kwaye verification mo maje no mo we na mo frɛ me abadamfo pam dirty mame ni emisa ne say what is the cost for obi a wonye Ghana ni a wo pay ID say ena wa moje no because e say na tie dia ebe ha me kakra because ye tell no ni nyina ID card no ya ID card no the same price obi a wo legal status wo kuro mu bia yentimi nka se me kwatra America me ye Ghana nyinti no me ID na me kwa akwaje no ne buo different from America ni a ye wu no kuro mu ho sa se we ha me pa me na fofo a wo mo ye non-Ghanaians bi no mo say ayade bi e ha wo mo they want to know say identity ye ID card me wo mo kire mu Ghana card no any ID card no mentiase because the ye kire die me wo kwan a ye no because me meti me di bibia toto me kwa America me ko duru ye first time me gi ye social security number no ena me di ye bibia me ko ye nkrata akora metimi aye permanent resident no saa de no na me de ye me ye wie no a me ye ma me kwan se me nkoji ID card no yan kan kire me se me passport ehun ya
Asempa FM.
Ye tra kroma me saa de na ye no I want education because ye tra nya yade bia ye de papa ade we yade papa o ba wan hwa ekoya ma we akua moto we hafo mu wo momo Ghana card ni bi. Hello. Oh, nam ka se pam date aba. Mo national ID ni bi. Identity na ya start national ID. Na se ye ne se ade ani o se yin a. Easy. And it might be I'm confused seriously. I'm confused. Musaka na. Mama ni chire mu nchire ye kakra. Ye isa musaka no. Me patrol de catch no nya catch say won for afa. Me say bi say na won chire mu. Me yon kono no we a friendly fire. Catch me person bi say na sem no won chire mu because I how be e koso. So because enyo information ye nya information a enema bebre ye no ye ntimi nyo. Hello. Pam.
Yes, sir.
I say.
Let me do me now, sir.
Afisha pa.
I think of it here.
Pam, I so asem kakra. Eni me bi koma, eni me chire madwene. Me won for non-Ghanaians.
Okay.
Omo wo ni say. So mo beye minim say omo beye resident permit. Anaso mo ba mo hono ma. Omo beye just ID card.
Okay.
Because omo say price no a little bit on the high. And the chairman say card keke no mo ya na so mo ye resident permit.
Asempa FM.
Okay. I mean say as at 2012 na NIA register foreigners. Na NIA mrano aye legislative instrument 2111 no HSA section 7 HSA for purposes of identification no card I say will representing no a card that NIA for no omu issue. Into na I hope one no ye issues that card no, and we've been doing that since 2012. $120 per for a year.
Yeah.
And then the renewals no $60 every year.
Mm-hmm.
So the first instance no you pay $120 and the subsequent years no it is $60.
Okay.
Now who call immigration because immigration name say that card no a requirement we here because to identify you know that's the card you present they insist that you bring it before they give you a resident permit or any other permit that you want. Now what's not come out for a cumulative period of 90 days from the 91st day you are eligible to procure the card. And see, NIA no, your resident permit, your card no, your outlet, a do immigration headquarters nankasa, any cow bank, a do Kumasi, any secondly. I hope more. I'm back home. For more than 90 days. No, I'm card no. No more apply for resident permit. One of the requirements are here to obtain a resident permit.
Pam, I miss what I say. Me, I me feel say you're in the reverse because compared to other countries. In a sense, say we need the right to be in Ghana.
Hello.
We need the right to be in Ghana.
Okay.
As a resident.
Yes.
Why should we give you an ID card? Because already nipa no buy no. So the visa na ban or the buy genuinely there.
Yeah.
So our passport.
Yeah.
And it's a 3 months his or her passport should be his or her identification.
Yeah.
Now I can't say obi kita obi kro passport. Not because what na Ghana wabase visit. Minimum how long? Why immigration da? Ghana, what's the maximum visa allowed at the port of entry?
For other residents, you know.
Other residents.
Non-ECOWAS nationals, you know.
Sure.
90 days.
Okay, and the ECOWAS nationals.
Non-ECOWAS nationals, they're 60. They're 60 days.
60 days.
ECOWAS nationals, they're 90 days.
Okay, fine. Until let's assume, say, these two countries, they said they made me from a passport. Now me call Abidjan. Now me call Nigeria. And now me call Europe. And now me call America.
I am a Ghana passport.
I am a Ghana passport. That is what I will be identified once I have a legitimate visa to enter.
Yes.
And me call Kronuma. If say me call me, say see ya.
Yeah.
Now me say me a Ghanaian.
Yeah.
My bet na Lumi.
Yeah.
Me pe card and tell me boy.
Oh, that be only
Maybe because I am confused into bet much.
Okay. ECOWAS countries, you know. You have francophone countries, any anglophone countries.
Sure.
Francophone countries, you know, omo identification system.
Sure.
France na aboamo.
Sure.
Omo friend card identity. You know why you be sa card na ma. Na
Asempa FM.
Ukra. And no enye ECOWAS ID card. A national ID card. Now, anglophone countries, you know, bebre any effective ID system there. And so far, Nigeria, Ghana, Gambia, Sierra Leone, Liberia, omo effective ID system. Sesiana, Ghana, yepesi yeye ho. Near to me, a scale is ahead or no. For several years, near to me, enya IDBR, it can identify yen. Now, with respect to other countries in your no, Kofi countries are sovereign. And then the Ghana and managed to say, oh, but now have bro 90 days because we need ECOWAS nationals for the brave. Etiha. But now 90 days, 85th day now. No matter cross the border, no. No matter we share by biome. Now, another 90 days. No matter so people abuse the system. But for those who keep abusing the system, you know, once you owe your ID card, we know you are in the system. And we can tell your operations and your activities, especially when we start verifying IDs as you move along. But let me feel say I'm not so worried say other countries may not be doing what we are doing. Once our parliament has passed a law, I believe that let us see how it goes. And if there are real issues that we think would require us amending the law now. But for now, maybe feel say a very effective means of identifying people who have lived in this country beyond 90 days and have had some interaction with our economy and our society.
Asempa FM.
More kind of say I'm a little worried because that is a job for the immigration to determine say who has overstayed and who hasn't overstayed. They make what I say. Me pam tete. Say me tu kwan kokuru bia so a. Na say mama me the travel certificate to enter a country because what we take in Ghana is not a visa. It's what you get upon arrival at the airport is the visa.
No, we give you visas at our embassies, and under emergency circumstances, we can also give you a visa on arrival.
I'm not talking about the American say. Say me too Ghana ni obi kra obedu kroma. What is in your passport? If it's a visa,
yeah,
it's different. Then why are you deporting or why are you refusing people to enter? Yes. Because I remember even the British visa, yes. It was stamped as certificate something.
Yeah.
Okay. And once you get there, that is when they will give you the allowed days that you can stay in the country.
Yes.
Okay. And he said, if I'm allowed 90 days,
yes,
60 days maximum, now me why do I have to go and get Now me decided say may stay longer than that. Why don't I go through the process of going through immigration instead of going to get a national ID?
Yes.
Then we go what you say.
But you say, and I miss make say, go be me a meti ha no. Me road say me analyze law now ya pass no. Me then is to implement the law. Say ebeba say ye ka say mra no nya papa dia different forum any
Asempa FM
ye dey approach. But coffee media me law enforcer. Once you see enforcing law no, or say me tell law na say na me enforce it. It must say Gofi, so yeah, we the consumer advocate. When I watch your paper be, na o dia call. But yeah, send I'm no and I implement it.
Sir, your friend the parkway, she was in Misha saying, you say no registration, no national ID, no. Drew saying, what is the status?
You Gan East. Make we know ka say minam near Koso. Into your Gan East from Ene. I could do 4th February. You better register a month for multi gang. East, no.
Hello?
Yes.
Aha, me.
Gang East, communities, they say Abokobi, Ablade, Agboba, Hacho, Atomic, Ashoma Soka home, Kwabenya, Domi East, Domi West. Taifa South, ni Taifa North. It is a community see my boy. Your registration centers are scattered. There was our communities now. Yamabono. You be stress residents now more honor. Omunkona muko register. Ade bako so a you be ka say omonhwe say empese ahoho bebre ewo quite a number of those communities am abom di. Omo enye omo registration ni. And Ghana for Shena, Omo register na Omunin Krata na Obe for Chama no. Man for ye a hope for na ya about Chama Omo. Emo Modiani Sheni Adia and Infan Rukwedi, Infan exercise.
Pamunim, emerenti no. Or some open time now.
Yes, sir.
Na ye dear Bobo. Bama Misao, Sa Ga West na. Ga East now also no. Yes now boy no. All those areas no. Is there a registration center there?
Oh yes.
Me pa just say so about the few Abokobi.
Those are the names of the communities.
And I'm trying to say Abokobi is a big place. Hacho is a big place.
Mamimbo Abokobi Center himself. And there were Presby Primary School Abokobi. A center. Klokoto Chief Palace Center, SDA Church, Sesame, and I said the Word of Liberty Ministry Sesame Center, Daycare Center, Akpoman Center, Holy Gabriel Healing Church, Boy Center, DC Primary School, Aden Klebi Center, Assemblies of God, Abokobi Adanse Center, Abokobi Women Development Training Center, and Center. And Abokobi no centers now work on na mabwache on. Samson Ablaje so centers, Agbogba was centers, Hacho was centers, Atomic was centers, Ashoma was centers, Kwabenya was centers, Domi East for instance, Anglican Primary School, Domi 1, Peculiar People's Church number 1, Domi, Perfect Preparatory School, Domi number 2, Trinity Academy, Domi number 1, High Tree Academy, Domi number 1. New Fountain Erudite Academy, Domi Oko, Presby Church, Oko number 1. These are centers are Domi East. Yes, I Domi West, Taifa South, and Taifa North. So in these communities, you have quite a number of centers in those communities.
Okay.
Like you said, when we find some time, a bit about studio now.
Asempa FM.
But before I let you go, say obi wo Kwabenya obetimi akodome akoye
ebe encourage you say ye per se residents register will be your motive it also helps with the challenge process. And running my point say we feel so being qualified so be register no be register which make us say there be qualified eligible. Others are who and answer the now that process you can only raise an effective challenge. Say what the area be muna unim say where out meaning the area we muno on eligible. But no echo baby for it's sometimes difficult. It will now be left to your registration officers, or more using skills are more one every register. So we encourage them. Oh, but no digital address, I reflect the community.
Okay.
Okay,
but the law
as register, it's not a problem.
Okay, because what can say more you're only implementing. So I was going to say so the law does not prevent me to go from as long as I am in the east.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Mati.
Yes.
Mati. Bam. Medwas. Say me friend on our short notice so far.
No problem.
Name was a pet time because how do we? Very 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 confusing. And you know, let's see how okokrana okwakoya ebeyentem. Why? Me dance. Etiefo emre na emre na de na mpese ye tie nyeme bi asentino ye beto aso. KANAWU ensemfo ehin wo kan ubewu wanka ubewu mosonfo kofi kapito masori so